seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. These lyrics are so pretty. We have made it to the final song, and yes, before you ask, I have watched the full video. You can go the full movie, I should say, of K-Pop Demon Hunters. You can go and watch that over on Patreon, or there's a shortened version that is either on or will be coming out on YouTube, depending on which order I do this in. But when you watch this reaction, I had watched up until that moment of the movie. Obviously this is the last part of the movie, and I'm really happy that I did watch the movie, because otherwise I wouldn't understand what was going on. Stunning film. I really enjoyed it. But yes, this will be my reaction and analysis to what it sounds like. And yes, this is a reaction and analysis, so there will be pauses and me talking about the music and the vocals. But like I said, go and watch the full reaction over on my Patreon. Make sure you're in the tier in the wings and above. All the links are in the description below. You can also find the link to my Bandcamp page, where you can purchase a digital download or a vinyl record of my debut album Echo. Do go and check out my original music on Spotify or wherever you listen to music. And I have also recently released a cover of Golden, so do go and check it out and say hi over there in the comments.
We're dreaming hard, we came so far now, I believe we're going up, it's our moment. You're together, we're glowing. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, in our voices. You're together, we're glowing. Gonna be golden.
Anyway, hit that subscribe button and bell button and enjoy the video.
Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand.
Hold on, honey. I just need to understand what just happened. So, again, I'm happy that I've watched this from the beginning, so I understand, like, she went through, she's feeling the shame, she's found someone else that she can speak to in, you know, and they had that beautiful ballad Free, and then Your Idols happened. Well, they broke Huntrix apart. Your Idols happened. We're going straight into this next song, where we're now seeing Rumi kind of understand, okay, this is, but I can still fix this. Is this one last chance? Because this is perfect. The setup, just having her vocals on her own.
The worst of what I came
so connected
from.
Down in this lower register.
I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head.
Whoa, did we hear fight it? We heard like a distortion from the demon voice. Really nice, like, added effect.
Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces, and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass.
This is really nice. We're hearing slight flips at the end of the glass, like kind of coming off. It's really hard to do it just on that note. Da, like straight tone and full vocal fold closure, then just flipping right at the end, allowing the disconnect to happen. We had it on the other line as well. She's just singing on one note, like that phrase. It's not very jumpy, this melodic line. It's just da 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 da, then come off. So it's just really nice that we're hearing a bit of that emotion come through.
I broke into a million pieces, and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did I?
My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. So, and they've shown, like, throughout this film, they kind of had a bit of a vulnerable moment just before, but now they're being completely vulnerable with each other. And this is important. Address those demons, and then grow stronger.
The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies.
I like falsetto there.
What it sounds like. Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should have let the jagged edges meet the light instead.
Woo.
Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like.
Stop. Sorry, 1 second. That was beautiful. Okay. we're hearing like all three of them with their unique voices, so beautiful. Their lyrics very like fit with all three of their personalities, really, really great. Coming together with such tight harmonies as well. That writ happening right at the very end, just slowing down that pace is beautiful. They blend so well together.
Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like.
Stop the song!
We're shattering the silence, we're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet, you're not alone.
They're like, ha, 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 kind of like staccato but breath-led, then swells in the background. Really, really nice, just amping up that excitedness as well. Those demons are terrifying. No, thank you. Go back away. Yeah. The way they crawl.
The silence, we're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet, you're not alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us.
There it is. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us.
So we were cowards, so we were liars, so
Oh, everyone else, have they been unhypnotized? Is that what's just happened? Because, good. Okay. I love how they come every so often with that extra harmony on top. Just, they're uniting them. They're all feeling together.
listen to the demons, we let them get between us. But none of us are
None of us,
out
that's such a
here
tongue
on
twister.
our own. So we were cowards, so we were liars, so we're not heroes, we're still survivors, the dreamers, the fighters, no lying, I'm tired, but dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side.
Yeah, again, it's not like it's mad gymnastics with the vocal melody. It's just very strong and powerful. Like they're singing all together just on the one and just hovering between harmonies. It's like sung from the heart, very spoken led.
Lying, I'm tired, but dive in the fire
Really connected.
and I'll be right here by your side. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back, but now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The stars are part of me.
We're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. These lyrics are so pretty. And this makes the perfect like end song, because we've had like hype song, ballads, and now we're kind of hyping again, but we're just understanding. It's not just like la 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 pretty. We're understanding each other and just taking each other for who we are, not wanting people to change, except that we have demons address, grow stronger. It's beautiful. And now we're just... And I love that they're all together again. They're helping each other. They're not afraid of running.
We broke into a million pieces
The
and we
phrasing
can't go back,
and the
but
tightness
now
is so
we're seeing
on
all
point.
the beauty in the broken glass. The stars are part of me, darkness and harmony.
Oh.
My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why do we cover up the colors stuck inside our heads?
Oh, that lovely
Get up
ad-lib
and
on the
let
high parts.
jagged
Nice.
edges meet the light instead.
Not
Show me
more.
what's underneath, I'll find your harmony.
Yeah, there's some really faint ad-libs happening at the top. Sorry, I just want to go back a little bit just to hear that. But there's really nice and beautiful on the top. It's quite twang-led. This higher mixed voice is really nice.
Stuck inside our head. Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like.
How are they going to defeat them? I don't... Oh. Everyone else just thinks they're watching a show. No! So, like badly, but they're just beautifully there, like choir, what they were talking about, singing the melody of the Golden again. Oh gosh, save them! Oh.
You're just my type.
Get rid of the abs.
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass.
broken glass. Look, listen to the harmony, the vibrato.
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass.
So pretty.
It's a part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why do we cover up the color stuck inside our head? Head up and let the jacket and just meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath.
Yeah, listen to how full and strong these voices are. Yeah, I mean, even just hearing the audience like chant back as well with them, just emphasizing how important this moment is for all of them, but just like how strong and connected these vocals are.
Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined. This is what it sounds like. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like.
Ooh.
Fearless and undefined. This is
Oh, that's so strong. I love that.
truth after all this time. Our voices all combined. When darkness meets the light. This is what it sounds like.
Are they gonna cry again? That slow down is beautiful. Whoa, there are a lot of people there. This guy will just go to whoever's on top. There we go. We have finished K-Pop Demon Hunters. Thank you so much. I've seen other covers of the songs from this movie that I might react to as well, but let me know in the comments below where you want me to go. Remember, you can go check out my full reaction to the movie over on Patreon or a shortened version over on YouTube, but if you want the full unedited version, that is on Patreon. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. It has been super fun and I've really enjoyed it. Do hit that subscribe button and the bell button and I'll see you very soon. Bye!